back at again with a brand new video for you guys. So for today's video, I decided to do a look that kind of like an orangey fallish color. I know that fall's right around the corner, probably like another 6 to 7 more weeks till fall. So I'm very excited for that because of the cold weather, drinking hot chocolate, wearing some hoodies and sweatpants and slippers and whatnot. So I'm very excited for that. This is a very subtle to glam look. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to recreate this look, please keep on watching. For watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow my socials that will be linked down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video.